remarkable concert hall. Today we proudly represent a talented creator from ASGC, a place where imagination meets innovation. So sit back, relax and get ready to enter a world where pixels come alive, ideas turn into emotion. Let's begin the journey through the lenses of imagination.
my church model, which I created in Autodesk Maya. I choose to model a church because of its beautiful architecture, including towers, arches, and symmetrical designs. I started with basic shapes like cubes and cylinders, then used tools like extrude, bevels, insert and loop tool to add details. I also added outer elements like trees and fences to make the scene more beautiful. The main challenge was creating clean arches and keeping everything aligned. Through this project, I improved my skills in polygon modeling and learned how to manage complex architectural structures. Thank you.
It is pleasure to present my 3D architectural model of pagoda, meticulously designed in Autodesk Maya. Pagoda are not just a structure, it represents peace, spirituality and cultural heritage. My model aims to capture their traditional essence with 3D model precision. In this exterior include curved roof, wooden texture, golden decorative elements and stone steps, and a base platform that give a realistic and traditional look. This project helped me a lot to learn how to design architecture structure and improve my skills in modeling and texturing, and also gain more confident to using Maya tools. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am presenting the 3D model of a monument which I created in Autodesk Maya. In this project I worked on modeling the entire structure which I created in Autodesk Maya. In this process I had to work with the modeling fences, then outer images like trees, walls, roads, and I also include the surroundings like the base and this project helped me to modeling surface and extrude bevel and more in modeling tools. Thank you so much everyone. I would like to
Hello everyone, my name is Hamza Ali. Today I am here to present my 3D interior design that I created in Autodesk Maya. As you can see, this project features a modern living room with detailed elements like sofa, ceiling light with chandelier, wall decoration and etc. I use Maya polygon modeling, lighting, texturing and rendering tools to build this design. I learned a lot about 3D design and how to solve my problem during the creative way. Autodesk Maya helps me to turn my thought into a realistic way. I hope you like my work. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Mohammad Zaifa Zamir and today I am here to present my modern living room design that I created in Autodesk Maya and rendered with Arnold for a realistic finish. I modeled each element from the sofas to the plant, add realistic textures and set up balanced lighting for depth and warmth. The wooden flooring, green velvet sofas and indoor plants give a fresh yet elegant look, while artwork and curtains add personality. During this project, I learned how to manage color, set lighting for mood and optimize render setting for high quality results. It also improves my skills in composition, detailing and creating a professional 3D interior scene. Thank you for listening.
I am Hafiz Abdullah Ijaz and today I am here to show my 3D interior project. This interior project is designed in Autodesk Maya. I use polygon modeling to build the living room and open kitchen. Subdivision helped in making smooth sofas and curtains. Snap and grid tools were used for accurate alignment. Extrude and bevel tool added clean detail to furniture. Curtains were shaped for soft selection and chandelier was created using silk format. I used Arnold lighting and rendering with a properly placed camera to show the full interior view. This scene is neatly organized using layers and groups. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.
तो हमारे पास बच्चे कानपुर के बहुत अच्छे स्कूली निज़ाम से भी हैं, बहुत अच्छे स्कूल्स में जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं और वो बच्चे भी हैं जो मदरसा बैकग्राउंड से हैं। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये जो बच्चा था हाफिज़ था, एक मदरसा बैकग्राउंड का था. He is able to come on stage, deliver something in English. It's not very simple. So alhamdulillah, that's what our accomplishment is. So we are very proud about that. So thank you very much.
presenting my 3D model Jeep, which I created in Autodesk Maya. This off-road Jeep is modeled for rigging, tearing and featuring. I use polygon modeling to extrude, bevel and CV curve tool.
The shader will apply by using Hypershade. The color scheme was military green and black tire. The shader will apply using Hypershade. This project improves my hard surface and better understanding for 3D animation and polymodeling. Thank you.